doing ya.
Okay, we'll see you guys later.
Not mutual.
Feeling is not mutual. Okay.
Okay.
Here she is. The fastest hunk of junk in the galaxy.
Here we go.
Welcome everyone. Harrison here. Today is the day. We got a boarding group. Rise the Resistance.
Boarding group number
1, 2, 3, 4, 6,
5.
5. Boarding group number 5.
Yeah.
Which means we'll be some of the first people to ride the attraction today. It's going to be epic. It's going to be great. It's going to be a fun-filled day. All right, gonna hop on the elevator, head down. We're gonna get on the boat. Oh, elevator's here. Get on the boat, head over to Hollywood Studios for rope drop. See if we can get a ride in before we go to Galaxy's Edge, possibly Slinky Dog Dash. So, I'm inviting you guys to join us on this adventure. All right, here we go. Gonna head down, hop on the water taxi to Hollywood Studios. We're gonna take the stairs today. All right, about to hop on. Hello. Thank you. All right, time to scan in. Oh, thank you. All right, we are back in Hollywood Studios. Hey, good morning. We are now entering Toy Story Land.
Everyone is stringing me along. Hang on,
What's up, Woody? People have already gotten on, and it's like 40 minutes before the park technically opens. Yeah, it's so cool back here.
Here we go. They are. It's fine.
Landing us on about 30 minutes before. And Minnie's Runaway Railway. This should be fun.
If not, he came close.
And standby line now up to 30 minutes. All right, we're heading in. We're going through. We're about to get on.
staying with me. Right, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I am so proud that you would finally make it. When you had one crazy round, Lord, with you by my side, let's start till we are done. Nothing can stop us now.
Well, my friends, I'm back in Batu. Gonna walk around, ride Rise of the Resistance, maybe Smuggler's Run as well. Look around at kyber crystals and lightsabers. Maybe get one. I don't know. We'll see. And of course, the Black Kyber Crystal Challenge. Alright, stay tuned. There's the droid with the sodas. Always good to see that. It's always good seeing the A-Wing. Some of the big rides here in studios are a little crowded. Tower of Terror 70, Smuggler's Run 60, Slinky Dog 50, Mickey Minnie's Runaway Railway 45. Other than that, they're pretty low. So, still kind of crowded, but park just opened. So, we're gonna look around Galaxy's Edge here in Batu. Old speeder. This place is just so cool and so immersive. It's really a lot of fun. Always good to see this. Great sight. Alright, hopping in here. Can someone translate this for me? Please and thank you. Wish there was availability for savvies. This is really cool in here. Got all the moving parts up top. You build your own droid right here. Never done it before, but it looks kind of fun. They like pieces of droids. Wow. Oh, hey, look at this little setup. I think you can make these. I got a flare from the light, but it's pretty cool. Yeah, here they are, the 3D model kits. Got BB-8, C-3PO, R2-D2, L337, K-250. Good old DJ Rex. Then they got some pins down here. Oh, pretty cool. Here's that bowl I want. How do you popcorn out of this? It's like a mixing bowl. It's pretty heavy duty, so it can be used for a lot of different things. Just so detailed, so immersive, so cool. Line for Smuggler's Run is starting back here, working its way around and that way to the actual attraction. Here it is, the Millennium Falcon. Here she is. The fastest hunk of junk in the galaxy. Cool, man. I've never tried a Ronto wrap. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Alright, we're going into Doc Ondar's Den of Antiquities. This is my favorite place to look around here in Galaxy's Edge.
I saw it.
That's awesome. That's pretty cool. What? They have Yoda's cane? That's just disrespectful. Yeah, you've got crystals, you've got Jedi holocrons, Sith holocrons, more Sith crystals. $14.99 for those, by the way. You got robes, etc. We've got all the legacy lightsabers up here. I'll probably take a look at these later. That tank is slowly emptying out, and this one is filling up. It's pretty cool. Now that I've seen Star Wars Rebels, this stuff makes sense. About to hop on Rise of the Resistance now. It's gonna be fun.
Oh.
This is happening right now. It's happening.
Incoming transmission from Ray.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Should you be at flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Oh man. Look at
Are you with them?
No.
Then back up.
this. Excuse me, Zopher, is that correct?
Congratulations, you can't read.
No, I can't. Zach, Eric, John, Michael, Trevor, Xander, Corey, Jonathan. Did I already say Michael? Christopher. I guess I'm pretty dim-witted then. Can I have the first letter?
T.
Timothy.
Tom.
Tyler. Thomas. Trenton.
We're trying to get.
It shouldn't be a guess, it should be you can read it.
Oh well.
I can't. This is a fail. This was an epic fail. I promise I'll tell you everything you want to know. I will give you guys all the information that you need in order to stop the Resistance. I will give you everything. I will tell you everything.
Josh.
He said it starts with a T.
Thomas.
I already said that. Tyler, Timothy, Tom,
Trevor.
Travis.
How did the second letter look like an R to you?
Looks like an O.
Looks like.
Congratulations.
Topher?
What does that say? Topher, very good.
Whoa.
You can read basic.
Wow.
We
Okay.
said that.
No, we did not say
You said
Topher.
Christopher.
We did not say Topher.
Different thing.
It was nice knowing you.
Okay, we'll see you guys later.
Not mutual.
Feeling is not mutual. Okay.
Okay.
We're having some great interactions here with the First Order. people. This is great. This has honestly been an amazing experience. All right, we've got more to do. Here we go.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
You're needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
For your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Hey, turn right. A probe droid. Those are the prisoners! Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Priority alert. Detachment to level D.
There we are! Fire!
Watch out!
The escape pod's just below us. This does not look good.
Shields. I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
He's gonna try to come through.
Location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Okay, you're clear.
Coming in hot.
Lieutenant back here. Right. You're right. I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.